In the startling incident that has sparked outrage and condemnation, Nyika Hona, a veteran journalist and the publisher of the popular Masvingo Mirror, was arrested on the 3rd of June 2025 by the Ferret team, a joint police and intelligence unit, while participating in a community road safety initiative near Mushavano Primary School in KUTI Central. Sambina mashoko ashamisa vanhu unokonzi a veteran and award-winning journalist Nyika Hona arrestewa. For community service KUTI, with both subscribe or like or the bell icon. Izvi nyasi kureflecta state repression. Pana pavanoendera mberi vachitaura vachiti Honorable Nyika Hona was also a parliamentary candidate for the opposition in KUTI Central in 2023 under the then able leadership of President NELSONCHAMISA, was detained alongside a group of KUTI Central citizens who were cutting grass along a hazardous stretch of road, an area notorious for its poor visibility and frequent accidents. Honorable Nyika Hona has been actively involved in various community projects in KUTI Central, despite narrowly losing the parliamentary seat to ZVAITWA Chitando in 2018 amid allegations of rigging. His initiatives include paying school fees for the disadvantaged learners and covering medical bills for those in need, demonstrating his commitment to improving the lives of their constituents. The group was engaged in voluntary work aimed at improving road safety for school children, citizens, and motorists. However, their altruistic efforts were met with swift action from the ferret agents who detained Honorable Nyika Hona and transported him to KUTI police station. The exact reason for his arrest remained murky, and many observers suspect it was politically motivated, given Honorable Nyika Hona's well-known criticism of the ruling party. The incident shed light on the increasing challenges faced by activists and journalists in Zimbabwe, where even acts of public service can be met with intimidation and repression. Nyika Hona's experience serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing struggle for civil liberties in a country where dissent is often met with swift punitive measures. Ndo mashoko kuda panguva ino vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa mukomana ari kunonyasa kunokonza anozoita community work achiuya achisympathize nemacitizens nevanhu vari disadvantaged. Panguva ino unokonza oendeswa behind the bus asina kana mhaka yapara, but inoda kuti anokuoposa the ruling party. Tudze mafunguro enyu kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kunyangomesa section medu zimafunguro enyu. Sounds subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.